Hi, it's Isabel at Lloyd South Lakes BMW, and here we have an X1 xDrive20d M Sport, finished in mineral grey metallic. It has 19-inch M double-spoke bi-colour alloy wheels with M Sport brakes and blue brake calipers, enhancing the M Sport look and feel. In the rear windows it has sun protection glass, protecting backseat passengers from harmful UV rays, while also adding an element of privacy. It has an electric boot lid for safe and easy access when you may struggle to open or close it manually. As it's an M Sport car, it has the M Sport suspension, lowering the car by 10mm, and it has a more direct suspension setup for dynamic and sporty driving. It has a top speed of 136 mph, and with 188 brake horsepower, it can get from 0 to 62 in 7.8 seconds. Moving on to the interior, it has the Black Dakota Leather with perforation upholstery and front heated sport seats. Essential for driving in the winter is their quick heating. If you're interested in learning more about this X1 xDrive20d M Sport, please get in touch via the details provided, or come and visit us at Lloyd South Lakes BMW.